Hey beauties, today I'm going to be showing you how to create this look, which is inspired by my head wrap that I am wearing. So if you beauties like this look, then keep watching. So we're going to be concealing our eyes using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in a shade medium beige. I like to conceal my eyes using this concealer in medium beige because it primes and preps my lids, giving it a smooth canvas to pop out more vivid color. People that I can do real simple now. You want to see simple? I can do simple. Basic. We'll cut crease. Now, the drugstore video I did, I mean, I'm all about the transformation, but I love dramatic makeup. This one girl, I don't even know who she is, but she commented on my Instagram, and it was the most sweetest comment that anybody ever put on my Instagram. She said, that powder made me want to sneeze. Because when you do dramatic makeup, you got to do it bold. Now, what does this do? This helps sets the base. I know I'm Muslim, right? So y'all know I know how to pronounce these names. Aziza. Morphe 3502. Okay, girl. Y'all know I gotta put orange in here. I love me some orange eyeshadow. We taking this shade Brick, and we are switching brushes because we're gonna blend each shadow, and we're gonna be popping that right into the outer corner of our lid, just to blend that into our first transition. Circular motions. Like, I started my YouTube channel back in September, around my 28th birthday. I'll be 29 this year. I'm old. Be taking this dark brown shade here. You gotta blend all this together. You gotta blend. So to blend, we're gonna, and to diffuse out, we're gonna be going in and we're gonna be taking this medium warm brown. So we're going back in and we're just gonna blend. Gotta blend. It's like an iridescent green shade. And we're going to be taking Lila and Zara together. Thanks for watching, beauties. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.